It's a lovely day here in England at the RHS Malvern Spring Festival. It's the first spring show for the RHS, and it's amazing. Join me today as I show you what it's like being an American walking through an incredible garden show. Hi, I'm Gardener Scott, and we don't have anything like this in the US. So coming to a British garden show is just blowing my mind. I'm seeing things here I've never seen, and the thousands of people I'm sharing this time with just make it more exciting. This show is expansive. There are flowers and trees and bushes and herbs. There is so much to see, and even given a whole day, it doesn't seem like I'll have time to see it all. Big tents, little tents, all kinds of demonstration gardens. There are plants to buy, of course. Many gardeners come here just to buy the plants each year because the offerings are incredible.
Yeah, there's a Floral Marquee. Look at the size on it. this is very Japanese style. You can see from the structure as well, like all the aces.
Water running down the roof, collecting at the base.
Same way we do, and they'll always have to be visible on the pot. So internationally, you have the phytosanitary certificates.
This is the video part, so I'll actually talk about the dibber. Meeting with other gardeners, and we all can get together and have fun. So this is my first garden show, my first spring festival, and I can tell you, I don't think it's going to be my last. I'm looking forward to more in the years ahead in different countries, but especially in the UK, because they know how to do it. I'm Gardener Scott. Enjoy gardening.